In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. By the end, you'll know how to find Notion using Google, log in safely, use Notion AI to generate a notes database, and open the notes page it creates, all in a clear, streamlined flow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and review the results. Look for the official site at notion.com. And make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid lookalike links or sponsored results that don't match the official domain. Clicking the correct result will take you to Notion's homepage. On the homepage, locate the Login button, typically in the top right corner. Click Login to access your workspace. You might be prompted to continue with your usual sign-in method. If your browser already remembers your session, you may land directly in your workspace without needing to enter anything again. Either way, the goal here is simply to reach your Notion workspace where you can use built-in tools. Once you're inside Notion, find Notion AI. You'll usually see an AI prompt or button that invites you to ask for help. Click on Notion AI, and in the prompt box type, "Build me a notes database." Keep the phrasing short and direct. This helps the AI understand exactly what you want. When you submit the prompt, Notion AI will start generating a basic notes database for you. Expect something clean and practical, designed to capture titles, dates, tags, and other helpful details so your ideas stay organized and searchable. After the AI finishes, you'll see the content it created. Now, click on Notes. This opens the Notes page or view associated with the database the AI just built. You should now be looking at a dedicated space for your notes, ready for you to explore. Take a moment to scan the layout so you understand how entries are listed and how fields are arranged. If there are multiple views, you can switch between them to see your notes in different formats, like a table or list, without changing your information. If Notion AI doesn't appear, it may be unavailable in your workspace or temporarily turned off. Check your workspace settings or try again later. And if the notes page looks different than expected, that's normal. Layouts can vary slightly, but the core idea remains the same. That's it. You searched for Notion with Google, logged in, asked Notion AI to build a notes database, and opened the notes page it created. You're ready to keep everything organized in one reliable place.